Stock videos can beautifully fill gaps in your projects when you're short on time or equipment. Today's list looks at a few of the best stock videos from 4 categories: people, nature, business, and city. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Category 1. People. Number 3. Grey Coast Media kicks off our people category in style with girl listening to music in headphones outdoor. The woman's green hoodie and ruffled hair sets a relaxed tone, while a contrast of technology and nature feels both stylish and sporty. Number 2. Morning Coffee in Internet Cafe by Kotlyarn depicts a cheerful and eager woman working on her laptop over breakfast. This shot would fit in a video about buying products online, finding job opportunities, or online dating. Number 1. Beautiful blonde woman throwing hair in slow motion by Daniel Dash feels like it came straight out of a shampoo commercial. Use it in your promotional content for beauty and lifestyle products. Category 2. Nature. Number 3. Our second category of videos is nature, and Sunny Spring Morning in Plum Garden by Now98 is first up. This smooth time-lapse of white flowers blossoming en masse can represent growth, opening up, springtime, and optimism. Number 2. Bird Animal Seagulls Flying on Clear Blue Sky by Okanakdeniz brings to mind the beach and that seagull scene in Finding Nemo. Potential applications include marine-related content and moments where you want to allude to freedom and flight. Number 1. Colorful Fish on Vibrant Coral Reef 951 by Discovod depicts an eye-catching undersea world complete with coral, schools of fish, and bubbles rising to the nearby surface. Drop this into your project to flesh out a theme of tropical vacations or experiencing nature. Category 3. Business. Number 3. Moving on to our business category, VadosLoginov leads us off with a clip titled Business People Working in Office. Use it to highlight business communication, diversity in the workplace, and technological literacy. Number 2. StockHunter's intense designer work with computers shows a young tech-savvy guy working on his laptop from home with laser focus. Slot in this clip to connect with viewers such as job seekers and potential clients in the programming, engineering, architecture, and design industries. Number 1. A diverse, multi-generational group attempt a 4-person high-five in Business People High-Fiving at the Office by Kotlyarn. The clip can be used to highlight collaborative success or to poke fun at awkward team-building exercises. Category 4. City. Number 3. The final category of the day is City, and starting us off is City, a clip by Nuon Haha. As twilight turns to night and the highways are gilded by colorful streaks, thoughts come to mind of urban hustle and bustle and excitement for the evening. Number 2. Skyline in Motion by Ricky Loca features a time-lapse from the river's edge with pedestrians traversing a bridge and a gleaming skyline and riverboat filling the background. The integration of natural elements with urban architecture can be used to evoke feelings of progress, or alternatively, you can subtly build tension via the growing storm clouds. Number 1. Stock Footage Lab closes us out with Metropolis City Skyline, an impressive aerial shot of New York City that shows streets and skyscrapers that are alive with thousands of warm lights. Use this clip to depict massive scale, corporate dominance, and urban majesty. That wraps up our countdown of 12 excellent stock videos to use in your projects. Check the description for links to each of the clips. Are there any stock video categories that you'd like us to feature next time? Let us know in the comments, and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. For more awesome content, check out our list of the top 10 video backgrounds on Envato Elements next.